Welcome back to the Fluent Zone, your go-to place for mastering English naturally and confidently. Today, I'm super excited to teach you 15 useful English idioms that native speakers use all the time. I'll explain each idiom, tell you what it means, and give you 2 real-life examples to help you understand and remember them. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Idiom 1, break the ice. Meaning, to start a conversation in a social setting and make people feel more comfortable. Example 1. At the office party, I told a funny joke to break the ice. Example 2. The teacher played a game to break the ice on the first day of school. Idiom 2. Hit the sack. Meaning, to go to bed or sleep. Example 1. I'm really tired. I think I'll hit the sack early tonight. Example 2. After finishing his homework, he hit the sack immediately. Idiom 3. A piece of cake. Meaning, something very easy to do. Example 1. The test was a piece of cake for me. Example 2. Cooking pasta is a piece of cake once you know the steps. Idiom 4. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling sick or unwell. Example 1. I didn't go to work today because I was feeling under the weather. Example 2. She's under the weather, so she stayed home and rested. Idiom 5. Spill the beans. Meaning, to reveal a secret or surprise. Example 1. Don't spill the beans about the surprise party. Example 2. He accidentally spilled the beans during lunch. Idiom 6. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, something that happens very rarely. Example 1. We only go out for dinner once in a blue moon. Example 2. I meet my childhood friend once in a blue moon. Idiom 7. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, very expensive. Example 1. That new iPhone cost me an arm and a leg. Example 2. Traveling to Europe can cost an arm and a leg. Idiom 8. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to reveal a secret unintentionally. Example 1. He let the cat out of the bag about the wedding plans. Example 2. I accidentally let the cat out of the bag during the meeting. Idiom 9. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to do something difficult or unpleasant with courage. Example 1. I hate going to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet. Example 2. She finally bit the bullet and resigned from her job. Idiom 10. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning, to stay up late working or studying. Example 1. I burned the midnight oil preparing for the interview. Example 2. He often burns the midnight oil before exams. Idiom 11. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example 1. When she said we need better planning, she hit the nail on the head. Example 2. You hit the nail on the head with your analysis. Idiom 12. Throw in the towel, meaning to give up or quit. Example 1. After several failed attempts, he threw in the towel. Example 2. I won't throw in the towel, even if things are hard. Idiom 13. Pull someone's leg, meaning to joke or tease someone. Example 1. Don't take him seriously, he's just pulling your leg. Example 2. Are you serious or are you pulling my leg? Idiom 14. Go the extra mile, meaning to make more effort than expected. Example 1. She always goes the extra mile to help her team. Example 2. If you want success, you must go the extra mile. Idiom 15. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Example 1. He was in hot water after missing the deadline. Example 2. She got into hot water for breaking the rules.